Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you my Gucci lipstick on the special occasion of National Lipstick Day. Being a lipstick person, this is a matter of celebration. So I was waiting for that special occasion. I just wanted it to be very special when I would add another one from Gucci, because now I've experienced the quality of Gucci lipsticks. So I'm very pumped, very excited, and of course I want to try more and more from the brand. So this one just came in today. I did not try it yet. Gucci matte lip color, and this is a limited edition. Thought that I would go for a couple of more shades, different finish. I wanted to go for the matte one now after I tried the shine one and of course the lip balm, and I'm enjoying those very much. And I've got videos on that too. This one is the matte lipstick. The packaging is absolutely stunning, isn't it? I'm loving the packaging. A very beautiful design of Gucci lipsticks. Well crafted, well designed, and absolutely artistic brilliance. I just love it. The way it has been crafted, the way everything has been taken care of. So those are the things that I really enjoy, and this is a piece of artistry to me and a collectible lipstick. Being a lipstick lover, I love to collect these kind of lipsticks that are more than lipsticks, and it has got the nicest ingredients to it, and of course look wise, feel wise, it is amazing. So I have tried the other ones. Based on that, I'm saying that it is going to be amazing, but let me try this on now. The color that I chose, there you go, for you. That's my shade, Jenny Purple. And I'm going to celebrate my lipstick day, National Lipstick Day, with this shade. It looks very different from other matte lipsticks that I have in my collection. It has got a special spongy kind of texture. I haven't tried it, as I said. So it has got a special texture and it looks very interesting to me. The color is totally stunning to me. Very different. I have not tried anything like that before. It's a statement color and I want to wear it. I just want to rock this color. I think this is that kind of lipstick where you do not have to do a lot on your face. This will be a striking, bold color element on the face, and I'm going to try it right now and see how it looks and meshes with the other elements of makeup on my face. So let's just do it. Taking my moment with it. The shade name is Jenny Purple. Look at the Cupid's bow. The way this lipstick is performing, it is actually taking care of all the edges, the sides, and of course the color is striking. I wanted to feel this color on me and I'm very happy. It is matte, but I can still feel some shine, and that is the creaminess of this lipstick. And I am super excited that I got this shade and I'm going to rock it. And this is that one shade that every time I would wear it and every time I would post a picture on Instagram, you would know that that is my Gucci lipstick, and the shade name is Jenny Purple. So if you are really into these kind of shades that will make a statement and it actually connects with you, your personality, definitely check this out, because it will not disappoint you. It will actually please you very much. I kept my brush ready because I was thinking that it is a bold color and I would definitely want to check on the edges, but I don't think that I need that anymore because the cut is superb. It is really well designed from top to bottom. every element of it is really marvelous. That's going to be the shade for me, and that's what is going to be my lipstick of the year. You can say that, yeah, it's the middle of the year, but still I'm super happy with it right away. So I declare it my shade of the year, and I'm going to rock it throughout. Summer, winter, fall, doesn't matter. I just love it so much, guys. I think I'm going to add a couple of more because as I said in my previous videos that I wanted to try more, and there are 5 categories and I wanted to try at least one from each category. I already tried 3 and I'm very pleased, very happy. It's soul satisfying lip color and finish and feel. So of course, do check other videos because I'm going to add a couple of more cool stuff in my collection and you will get to know first. Yeah, because you are my channel's most amazing viewers. So keep watching the videos and of course like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know your favorite colors because I would love to know if you want to go for the striking bold colors or you want to check those videos that have got reds, fuchsias, oranges, and I've got very few videos on neutrals. So that's a very genuine heads up to you. If you are someone who wants to check out the brightest, the boldest colors, you will find tons of video on my channel. So stay tuned and keep rocking your makeup time, keep rocking your summer style. So on that note, I'm saying bye to you. I'm going to rock this lipstick throughout the day and you will see lovely pictures on my Instagram account. Follow me there, and of course, I would love to hear your thoughts on this lipstick, and if you have tried the matte ones, how do you feel about it? See you!